Today viewers, I have brought a nameplate of 4 megawatt generator. You have listened many times plant are generating the power in megawatt. Then this is the one of the example that I am showing here. This is the nameplate of 4 megawatt generator. Here you can generate 4 megawatt power that can be utilized in different industries and different kind of loads you can run in this power. People, you guys thinking that why I am bringing this type of videos, because I am a professional working as a electrical engineer in power plant. Then come to the first column, it is written frame, that is G64392, and the machine has the frame of this, and different machine has different frame. So this frame is G64392. And comes to next row, that is power rating of that machine is in kVA, that is 5000, means 5000 kVA, and you can say it 5 MVA. Okay, then comes to the next row, that is written kilowatt, 4000 kilowatt, that is you can say also 4 megawatt. The machine is generating 4 megawatt power, that is a maximum. All over everything is written in the nameplate, that is the maximum limit, and this equipment also running in full load, that is 4 megawatt power. Okay, then comes to the RPM. RPM means 1500 RPM, revolution per minute. Okay, right. After that, it is written power factor. That is, it is not clearly visible, but I can see it well. I will read the. It is written 0.8 lagging. The machine is running at a lagging power factor. That is, in your mind, it is coming that what is power factor. Power factor is the relation between that kilowatt and kVA, and it is the machine has the power factor 0.8 lagging power factor. After that, it is written voltage, and what is the voltage level? It is 3300, means it has the voltage level 3.3 kV. Okay, then after that, it is written what is the ampere of that machine, and it is written here 875. So it has maximum rating current is 875. Then we are coming to the next column, and it is written phase. It is 3-phase machine, and frequency hertz. It is written frequency, that is 50 hertz. That Indian standard is 50 hertz. After that, it is written connection. Connection means it has 3 winding, whether it is star connected or delta connected. There are 2 types of connection are there. It is star connected. After that, ambient temperature 50 degrees Celsius. That is the ambient temperature, means surrounding temperature. Okay. After that, inlet temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. It is air cooling equipments, so it has the limited inlet temperature, air inlet temperature, that is 50 degree. Maximum in this temperature the machine can run in a stable condition. After that, coming to excitation voltage, that is the machine has the excitation voltage, that is in DC. We are giving the DC excitation so that it generate 3.3 kV voltage. That is the concept of that machine. So it is written 91 voltage, that is in terms of DC, and excitation ampere is 336, that is DC current. It has the limitation. All the parameter in the nameplates are given. They are all the limiting power factor in which the machine is running. After that, coming to the next column, it is written specification. Specification means what is the standard in specification given here, that is IS 4722, that is Indian standard 4722. After that, duty is continuous, means the machine duty is continuous. It can run 3 months, 4 months and 1 year also. If there is no abnormality, you can see. Okay, then after that, degree of protection. Degree of protection means it is a degree ingress protection, that is 5-4. And after that, serial number. Every equipment has a serial number. The manufacturer is given here, that is a serial number written here, you can see. After that, division and where it is manufactured, that is Bhopal. And after that, year of manufacturing it is written, and it is made in India. And this is all about the specification of 4 megawatt generator. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.